I'm going to tell you a story about a fisherman. This young man wanted to be a fisherman from childhood. It had always been his big dream. He finally succeeded and felt like a king with his first boat. Like a real fisherman, he went out in the morning and came home tired and content. After a few years he considered buying another boat, so he could earn more, and perhaps not have to work such long hours himself. No sooner said than done. He bought another boat and hired a skipper. Business was good, but it seemed he worked harder than his staff. And in most cases I can tell you that is true. According to him, there was still too little time in a day. Because business was going well, he bought a third boat and took on more staff. This repeated itself several times, after which he looked back on his life with satisfaction. He had built up something beautiful, but it had cost him a lot of time. Many beautiful things passed him by because he was usually at sea. After some time this began to gnaw at him and he wanted more time for himself. He sold his company with the boats and all of his staff. This earned him a good pension, so he had done well. When he retired, however, he fell into a dark hole. He was not used to his daily routine as it was now, and he was extremely bored. He thought it was time for a hobby, which he had never had because of all the sailing he had done. You can take a guess to what he does now. He has become a hobby fisherman. Isn't that crazy? Working your whole life to end up doing the same thing. Do you recognize the moral of this story? Do what you love, now, and not later.